How to use OpenClaw complete tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore OpenClaw and how you can use it to automate tasks with AI in a smart, structured way. OpenClaw is an open source AI agent framework that lets you run multi-step workflows using large language models, transforming them from single chatbots into intelligent assistants capable of executing complex tasks. With OpenClaw, you can automate content creation, summarize your documents, analyze the data, or even build AI-powered bots that run continuously in the background. Today, I'll give you a full overview of how OpenClaw works and how you can use it effectively for your projects. First, let's talk about why OpenClaw is different. Unlike traditional AI tools that rely on manual input each time, OpenClaw allows you to define workflows where the AI can receive instructions and reasons through tasks. Think of it as turning a language model into a personal AI agent that does not just respond but actually execute steps in a planned sequence. This makes it perfect for professionals, content creators, researchers, and anyone looking to save time by automating repetitive AI-driven processes. The key difference is its workflow-driven approach, which allows you to chain multiple tasks together seamlessly. At its core, OpenClaw operates in a simple loop. You just define a task or workflow, it sends that input to the AI model through an API key, and then receive the processed response, and then it logs, saves, or passes it on to the next step. This could be something as simple as generating a blog post outline, or as complex as running a multi-step content pipeline that produces scripts, also summarizes, and just social media captions that are automated automatically. You can think of OpenClaw as the brain coordinating a series of AI actions and just taking care of logic and execution so you don't have to handle each step manually. Let's get started with the setting up and installation first. You're going to go to the official website of openclaw.ai. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see this quick start option, and if you're using the Windows, simply just click on the Windows PowerShell, and if you're using the Mac or Linux, then you can also just add it to your own terminal. We're going with Windows. Simply just copy this and you're going to go over to the Microsoft PowerShell. Now once it's on your screen, simply just paste the link that you just copied, and it is going to install OpenClaw on to your laptop automatically. This is going to take a few minutes, so meanwhile that it is downloading, you can go ahead and create a Hostinger account, because that is how we're going to actually operate OpenClaw and open it. Once you've created your Hostinger account, simply go over to VPS and you're going to see the VPS that you have installed and it's running. That is good. Simply go over to manage and you're going to see the option of Docker Manager. Simply click on that, go over to projects, and once the OpenClaw is available, simply click on open. Now you will need a gateway token that is already provided right here. Simply just copy it and paste it over here. Just remember that you should not lose this gateway token because that is the only way for you to log in, and that way once you've logged in, you're going to see an interface like this. Let's do a quick overview of the application. Right here there is the overview of the tool. You can see yourself. It consists of channels and just instances that you can create. That means that you can create automated text or just automations and connect them to your applications. The main interface that we're going to use is going to be the chat box. Here you can just type in commands and they can be as simple as just wanting summary of your meeting notes or writing a blog post, or it could also be an automated text message to be sent to every client once they first text you for business proposals. Now once everything is running, just make sure that your nodes are connected. Just make sure that your OpenClaw is actually working 24/7 even in the background when you give it commands. Now let's actually test it out and give the chat box a command. Let's just ask it to write a blog post. We are going to ask it to write write a blog post on productivity, simply click on enter and it is just going to generate the entire blog for us. That means that it is running and it is providing us with an AI generated response, which is great. Now you can also go ahead and just automate through workflows. A workflow can be as simple or as complex as you like. For example, a single workflow could just generate a list of content ideas and output them to a document. A multi-step workflow might generate ideas, expand them into full articles, and just summarize key points. You can also just try having a conversation with the bot, so you can store in your name and what you're going to call the bot. All of this is going to be stored in the memory, so if you want to change anything, you can just later on ask the AI to change that and it will remember. Now this flexibility is what makes OpenClaw a great tool for content automation, research projects, business workflows, and more. The real power comes from the ability to chain tasks, so one output becomes the input for the next step without manual intervention. We're going to ask it to do a whole workflow. It can be as simple as just giving commands in the text box. Now once we typed in a command or we're just preparing the chat box for a workflow, we're simply going to ask it to write a blog, then summarize and give a short review. This is a 3-step workflow and we're just going to test out if OpenClaw is responding actively and properly. And you can see just like that, it provided us with a blog post and the summary along with it, and also a short review of the blog. That means that everything is running. You can also go ahead and connect it to channels and make automations, which is really great. You can also use OpenClaw with an API key. You can just connect it to a language model through an API key, for example, just a free OpenAI API key. This connection allows OpenClaw to send instructions to the AI and receive intelligent responses. And once connected, you can define the task, the workflow, and automation rules. The API ensures that the heavy computation is handled by the AI provider while the output is efficient. This setup makes it possible to run sophisticated AI-driven processes without needing powerful local hardware, especially if you host OpenClaw on a VPS or a cloud server like we're doing it with Hostinger. Now, when using OpenClaw, just start simple, especially if you're a beginner. You can define small workflows like this, test the outputs, and then gradually scale up. Monitor API usage if you've been using free credits to avoid running out unexpectedly, and just take advantage of logging and input storage to track performance and results. If you also click on overview, this is just going to give you the overview of what is happening in your nodes and just gives you the overview of the instances and sessions. And over time, you can build increasingly complex automation pipelines that save you hours of manual work. OpenClaw is also highly versatile. It's not limited to content creation. You can use it for data analysis, summarization, research, and just business automation or any other task where structured AI responses are helpful. One of the biggest advantages of OpenClaw is that it can run continuously when hosted on a cloud server or VPS. This is why we pick Hostinger for this. This means that your workflows can operate unattended, providing results whenever you need them. For example, you could schedule OpenClaw to monitor new inputs, summarize your documents daily, and generate the reports, all automatically. This continuous operation, combined with workflow chaining and API integration, makes OpenClaw a true productivity booster for anyone who wants to leverage AI efficiently. And to sum it up, OpenClaw turns a standard AI model into a powerful workflow-driven agent. You define the task, then connect it to an AI model, and just let OpenClaw automate multi-step processes running continuously if hosted on the cloud. It is flexible and automation are capable, and structured approach just makes it perfect for content creators, researchers, businesses, and anyone looking to save time by automating repetitive AI tasks. Once you understand the concepts of tasks, the workflow, the automation, OpenClaw becomes a tool that can transform the way you work with AI. And that is a complete overview of how to use OpenClaw. I hope this gave you a clear picture of what it is, how it works, and how it can help you automate AI-driven workflows. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you'd like a step-by-step workflow tutorial next. Also, comment if you have any questions related to these guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.